Hey crafty friends, how are you today? I am back with another video for you. These are the Archer and Olive monthly themed boxes. And you guys, if you saw my January video for my flip through, you know that I am loving the heck out of these boxes. So I thought I would share with you, since my box just came yesterday, what is included in each of the boxes, so that you could decide if it's something that you wanted to try. All right, so this is the Archer and Olive floral themed box. It's not boxes, there's only one of these. And of course it comes wrapped up so nicely. And let me show you what you get. I'm just gonna take it all out of the box. You guys, I am loving these boxes and using them on my spreads. Okay, so this is the floral theme boxes. So as you know, Archer and Olive is known for its gorgeous, beautiful florals. And this month's florals are green themed. Look at that, I guess for St. Patrick's Day. But you get, these have gold foil, these have gold foil. How cute are those? So I love them. You have the dates 1 through 31. They did have 1 through 30 the past couple months, but I see that they got that fixed. All right, so you get 2 sheets of each of those in your box. You get some vinyl stickers. And I've been using these. Ooh, these are on clear, maybe. Ooh, these might be on clear. Ooh, they're on clear this time. So in the past, they had the white. All right, so you get a wreath, that, and that. You get 3 of those stickers, and then you get a metal, like, template. Look at this. It has like a calendar with a circle. So that'd be perfect for to-do. This could be calendars or to-do. Different size circles. So freaking cute. And then you also get, this is one of my favorite things. Ooh, this one is a little bit different. Okay, so these are like vellum this month. Oh, they just got the color all over it. So these are vellum this month, and in the past they had white glossy, but they're so cute. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, 5. 5 different stickers on this giant roll that you'll never use all of, even when I put one on each day of the month. So you get that roll, put that there, and then you get washi, which is one of my favorite things at Archer and Olive because the quality of the washi is amazing. You get 4 rolls of washi. These are all floral themed. I will take close-ups of all of this so that you can see. Look at that. I'm going to show it to you so close up. How cute. Matches that floral sticker so well. Then you've got the dark green. You're getting this in real time, y'all. Dark green with the gold foil. So cute. The white, oh, I love this. This is like coming up from the bottom. You're getting my real-time reaction because I literally just pulled this out. So this is all like coming up from the bottom. Isn't that so cute? I love that. That would be cute, so cute along the bottom or top or side, like the border edges. And then this last one is light green. That's not the spot. Where is the spot? Yep, that's it. You get this light green with these gold foil florals. I can get it open. Look at how cute. And it's very light green. All right, excuse my hands because I've been creating today. So that's what you get in the floral Archer and Olive monthly themed box. Let's go ahead and pull out the other themed box and show you what comes inside. All right, this is the other themed box for the month of March. And let me show you. This is, I saw previews, I saw it online, and I was super stoked for this one. Pull all the goodies out. Set that aside. All right, let's start with the stickers again. You guys, wait till you see these. You're gonna die. They are all things spring related. Look. So cute. So we have the days of the week, the numbers, those are individual clouds. Here's a border, like little washi, faux washi. So cute. And then these stickers are themed. So these are all spring themed. So instead of all florals, you're gonna get whatever the theme is for the month. So there's kites and clouds. Look at that. Oh my gosh, and birds. So you get 2 sheets of those, just like you do in the florals. Then you get these, these stickers, which are vinyl stickers. This month is printed on the clear. Let me just make sure. Yep, it's printed on clear. So I'll probably mount them on white because I like the white backgrounds when I'm using them. So there's those. So adorable. And then the boxes, they fit on the big monthly boxes for the Happy Planner. They fit perfectly in those spots. Oh my goodness, look at how cute. Again, there's 5 different stickers. These are vellum, so they're not going to be as bold on the page. But again, you're going to want to use, what I use to write on these is a Sharpie, just a Sharpie fine point. I'll show you the marker that I use once I get done showing you all of these beautiful washies. And again, you're going to get 4 washies in the box. Oh wait, I forgot the stencil. Hold on. So you get a different stencil. The first month they were the same stencils, and then I guess they listened to people as people were saying, hey, we don't want the same stencil if we get both boxes. So this is a different, all spring themed. It matches the collection perfectly. Let's look at our washi. The first one is like bluebirds. Focus in, there we go, with the clouds. And the clouds have a floral to the background, just like these. So we get the bluebirds. The next one are these kites, which are on this like periwinkle blue background with gold foil. Love that. Then, oh my stars. These last 2 are my favorite. There's clouds. And see, they have the floral, and then the other ones are gold foil. What? Adorable. And then this last one, you guys, I feel like people need this box so badly for all their, especially people who live in colder temperatures, for all the spring vibes. Look at that. It's like a banner. So you can use this on a long strip, or you can tear each section off in the banner and use it like that. So that is what you get in the Archer and Olive monthly themed box. And they come out each month towards the end of the month. So maybe the 3rd week of March, you'll see April's revealed, and they ship super quick. I got mine yesterday, which is March 2nd. So really not a lot of time into the month. All right, you guys, so here are the monthly themed boxes from Archer and Olive available right now. I will link them down below. This is not an affiliate video. I do not get any proceeds, profits, or anything off you shopping the links. Just when I get things that I love, I want to share them with you, and I love these boxes. So check out the description box for the links to these products. And I appreciate all your comments, all your likes, thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, I would love if you would become one. because I just love my YouTube community, and I love that we get to share our creativity here, products we love, things we love doing, and encourage each other. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and most importantly, I hope that you find time to be creative. Thanks. See you soon. Bye-bye.